November 44 Kilo, number 2, runway 12, clear to land, approximately turbulence.
Number 2, runway 12, clear to land, 44 Kilo.
North Shore 339, Bozeman Tower. Going to have you go around. I just had an aircraft on the runway. Can you accept runway 11? The length is 5,050 feet.
Unable for North Shore 339.
North Shore 339, roger. Plan to go back with approach, standby.
Alright, we'll be with you until I hear something else North Shore 339.
Station Bravo, cancel your approach clearance, maintain 1000, stand by.
November 44 Kilo, Bozeman Tower. We have assistance coming out to you. Are you okay? Alright, we have people coming out to you.
Station Bravo Echo, and we have a crash aircraft on runway 12, the main runway. Expect a holding clearance at Thalia, S-A-L-I-A.
North Shore 339, turn right, fly heading 210 up to 10,000.
Right, 210 up to 10,000, North Shore 339.
Station Bravo Echo, when able, resume navigation direct Thalia, hold northwest of Thalia at 11,000 with right turn, and it will be on the localizer. Expect further clearance at 2010.
In November 44 Kilo, do you need anything other than the airport vehicles? 44 Kilo, roger, they're on their way here. They'll be there in about 30 seconds, 10 minutes. North Shore 339, fly heading 210 up to the 10,000, contact Big Sky 118.907.
Director 643, base approach, roger, the runway at Bozeman just became unusual due to a downed aircraft. Maintain 17,000 and expect a holding clearance for it.
And approach North Shore 339 with U1 0,000.
North Shore 339, big sky approach, roger, expect a holding clearance at Thalia shortly, and maintain 10,000.
Alright, we're keeping aware of that for North Shore 339.
North Shore 339, turn right, heading 300.
Right, 300 North Shore 339.
North Shore 339, about how much time do you have in today? Okay, North Shore 339, roger, you'll expect further clearance before that. Cleared to Thalia, and that's S-A-L-I-A. Hold northwest of Thalia on the localizer, maintain 10,000, right turn, expect further clearance 2010. North Shore 339 traffic at Thalia holding as well, in the same direction, but at 11,000 location.
Alright, thanks for North Shore 339.